In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 simple steps on how to make braids with or without an experience to help you start or elevate your braid journey. Hello, my name is Esther Uti. In this video, I'll be showing you the easiest way on how to start, hold, and grip braids like a pro. Get your tail comb and let's dive in together. Feel free to pause the video if you need to. Let's start by parting and sectioning the hair. For today's demonstration, I'll be focusing on the front section of my model's hair. With the tail of my comb, I'll create a rectangular parting within this section to isolate the area we'll be working on. With a hair clip, secure the excess hair to prevent any flyaways. Now, let's narrow our focus down to a square within the rectangular section. This square will be our starting point for the braiding process. Using the tail of my comb, I will divide the square into 3 equal parts. I like to call them hair legs. Huge, right? Next step, labeling the hair legs. The hair leg on the left will be referred to as out 2. The hair leg on the right will be referred to as out 1. And the middle hair leg will be known as in. Take a quick sec to remember these labels, as they will come in handy. On to the next one, technique. We will be working with 2 hair legs at a time, alternating from side to side. Here's the movement. In on top, out to the middle. As in moves outward, it becomes our new out. And as out comes to the middle, it becomes our new in. Over to the left side. In on top, out to the middle. As in moves outward, it becomes our new out, and as out comes to the middle, it becomes our new in. Back to the right side. In on top, out to the middle. As in moves outward, it becomes our new out, and as out comes to the middle, it becomes our new in. Back to the left side. In on top, out to the middle. As in moves outward, it becomes our new out, and as out comes to the middle, it becomes our new in. Once more on the right side. In on top, out to the middle. Once more on the left side. In on top, out to the middle. Stay tuned as we delve into more exciting details about this technique and explore how to hold and manipulate the hair for optimal results. Over to this side. In goes on top, out comes to the middle. Over to the other side. In on top, out comes to the middle. In on top, out to the middle. In on top, out to the middle. And we have a nice looking braid. Now, let's isolate another square. Remember how we did it earlier? You can use your fingertips or the tail of your comb. Just like we practiced, we will divide the square into 3 equal parts like we did earlier. Just a quick reminder that we can only work with 2 hair legs at a time, shifting from side to side. Moving from the right side to left side, and then from right side to left side again. And don't forget the key technique. Right side, in on top, out to the middle. Left side, in on top, out to the middle. Right side, in on top, out to the middle. Remember, as in moves outward, it becomes our new out, and as out comes to the middle, it becomes our new in. Left side, in on top, out to the middle. As in moves outward, it becomes our new out, and as out comes to the middle, it becomes our new in. Back to the right side. In on top, out to the middle. Back to the left side. In on top, out to the middle. right side again, in on top, out to the middle, back to the left side, in on top, out to the middle. Notice how the braid is already starting to form. Exciting, right? Next, let's talk about how to hold the hair legs. Spot 2 hair legs on my right hand. Hair leg 1 between my right index and middle finger, and hair leg 2 between my right thumb and index finger. Meanwhile, on my left hand, I will hold just 1 hair leg between my left thumb and index finger. From here on, my hands represent the sides. The right hand for the right side and the left hand for the left side. Now, let's delve into the 180-degree rotation method. Focus on the right hand where we have 2 hair legs with fingers pointing down. I will rotate my wrist 180 degrees clockwise, leaving my fingers pointing up. This rotation results in a twist in the hair, indicating the right side has been addressed. Then, with my left thumb and index finger, I will reach for the hair in the middle. Now, my left hand is holding 2 hair legs. I will rotate my wrist 180 degrees anti-clockwise, and then with my right thumb and index finger, I will reach for the hair in the middle. Again on the right hand, rotate and reach for the hair in the middle. Back to the left hand, rotate and reach for the hair in the middle. Once the 180-degree rotation method is performed, it automatically positions the hair leg in on top, out to the middle. We will reach for the hair in the middle with our left thumb and index finger. Left hand, rotate and reach for the hair in the middle. Remember, as in moves outward, it becomes our new out, and as out comes to the middle, it becomes our new in. Rotate and reach for the hair in the middle. Rotate and reach for the hair in the middle. Now let's repeat this rotation method, alternating from left hand to right hand until we get to the end of the hair legs or hair strands. Speaking from my own experience, I would say the 180-degree rotation method is the quickest way to braid long plaits. If you're finding value in this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for even more hairstyling tips and tutorials. Just look at how far we've come. Take a moment to admire our braiding process. Isn't it remarkable? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Now, we are the last square from our rectangular hair section. We've divided it into 2 squares. This is the final one. Same process. We will divide the square section into 3 equal parts as demonstrated earlier in this video. Next step, how to hold the hair legs from the scalp. To hold the hair, let's get our fingers in position. Over to the right hand, gently place the body of our outworn hair leg between the web of our right thumb and index finger. Then coil both fingers around its roots. Now position the root of the middle hair leg at the tip of our right thumb and index finger while the body rests on the web as shown in the video. You can coil your ring and middle finger between the root of the outworn hair leg. Then, position the root of the middle hair leg at the tip of our right thumb and index finger while the body rests on the web. Meanwhile, on the left hand, we will place the outer hair leg between our left thumb and index finger. Ensure to position the body of the hair legs between the web of your thumb and index fingers on both hands as shown. Moving on, let's talk about how to grip the hair legs from the scalp. The reach for out method. Start by gently gripping the hair from the scalp. Slightly lift the hand with 2 hair legs for clarity. With your left thumb and index finger, reach for the outer hair on the right hand. Then move it to the middle. This movement automatically places the hair leg in on top, out to the middle. Over to the left hand, lift it slightly, then with your right thumb and index finger, reach for the outer hair on the left hand, then move it to the middle. This automatically places the hair leg in on top and out to the middle. Back to the right hand. With your left thumb and index finger, reach for the outer hair on the right hand. This automatically places the hair leg in on top, out to the middle. Remember, as in moves outward, it becomes our new out, and as out comes to the middle, it becomes our new in. Back to the left hand. With your right thumb and index finger, reach for the outer hair on the left hand side. In on top, out to the middle. As in moves outward, it becomes our new out, and as out comes to the middle, it becomes our new in. Moving on to the right hand side, reach for the outer hair. On the left hand side, reach for the outer hair. Back to the right hand, reach for the outer hair. Back to the left hand, reach for the outer hair. As mentioned in my write-up, we can also use the 180-degree rotation method to grip the hair legs from the scalp. Here's a quick reminder. Over to the right hand side, rotate, and with my left thumb and index finger, I will reach for the hair in the middle. Left hand side, rotate and reach for the hair in the middle. Repeat this process with either method from left to right for about 4 to 10 times, or until your hands are no longer directly against the scalp. Then, reposition to continue with the 180-degree rotation or index lead out to in method. Index lead out to in method. On the right hand side, with your right index finger, gently lead or guide the outer hair leg on the right hand from underneath towards the middle. Now onto the left hand, with your left index finger, lead the outer hair leg on the left hand from underneath towards the middle. This automatically places the hair leg in on top and out to the middle. Back to the right hand side, with your right index finger, lead the outer hair leg on the right from underneath towards the middle. In on top, out to the middle. Remember, as in moves outward, it becomes our new out, and as out comes to the middle, it becomes our new in. Again on the left side, with your index finger, lead the outer hair from underneath towards the middle. In on top, out to the middle. Right side, lead the outer hair. Left side, lead the outer hair. We will keep alternating between the left and the right sides until we've reached the end of the hair legs or hair strands. And that's it. Weaving all the way down to the end of the strands, you will see just how neat and precise this method can be. If you would like an in-depth video on the index lead out to in method, simply drop the words repeat index lead out to in method in the comment section below, and I will create a detailed video just for you. Now that we've mastered these techniques, let's recap. We've covered some key techniques today, including the in on top out to the middle, 180-degree rotation, reach for out, and the index lead out to in method. Mastering this will take your braiding to the next level and help you create stunning braids with ease. Practice, practice, practice. That's the secret sauce. If you don't have a model or mannequin, don't worry. You can practice braiding using household objects. Check out my tutorial on braiding with household objects for some ideas. I'd love to hear about your favorite braiding technique or which one stood out for you the most from today's lesson. Share your thoughts in the comments below and feel free to share your braiding experience. Let's learn from each other. Also, if you have any suggestions or ideas for future content, I'm all ears. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and consider sharing it with your friends and family who might benefit from it. Click on the subscribe button to join my community. Hit the notification bell to ensure you never miss out on any of my videos. Hop on board the knowledge train and let's grow together. Keep practicing and don't forget to show off your braiding creations. And voila! Our braiding creations complete. Done and dusted. Happy braiding! Thanks for watching and see you in my next one.